In this video, we fly to Montevideo and try to retrieve our Womi-Omi after it was shipped from the port.
Because dreams are hard to kill. And I know somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. Show me the way, show me a way to somewhere.
So it's a really long story about how we ended up here in Montevideo with flight delays, sleeping for 6 hours at an airport, terrible flights, and a hostel that didn't work out. We now have a hostel. Tommy has already obtained the papers for the first time and has been to the port once. Tomorrow we will try to get our Womi-Omi, or it might take another day or two longer. We are going to bed first and foremost. We haven't slept in the last 24 hours. We hope that things will go better and that we will be back in our Womi-Omi soon. Wow. There is ham and cheese again.
We were just informed by our agent. We will be getting the Womi-Omi today. So far, that's the theory. Let's see.
Of course, sightseeing is out of the question now with my family. Tommy is on his way to the port and is doing everything he can to get our Womi-Omi back as quickly and safely as possible.
yes, behind the red indeed.
And now here it is, the Womi-Omi with a broken window. The drive batteries were also deeply discharged. We left the lights on. Now I'm trying to revive this again. Let's see if I can manage it. And yes, we have all the papers. I could go out now. Everything is fine so far. It's safe here. You can park overnight. And tomorrow morning we will set off. And here, loading is still going on quite vigorously.
We are now in Montevideo. One hostel just didn't want us to stay, and we went to another one, and then someone told us that the Omi is already ready so that it can be picked up. Now Dad has gone there, and we have already been at the port for quite a few hours. So
Yes, the sun is slowly setting here now. We had actually hoped that Tommy would arrive with the Romy from the harbour sometime this afternoon. We haven't heard anything yet. We know nothing at all. Right now, it feels really strange because he still isn't here, and I haven't received any message from him either.
I am incredibly sorry if you were worried. I brought a bottle of Christmas apology. So we have the Womi-Omi, a little, yes. The Womi-Omi had completely broken empty batteries. And that's why we needed another truck to get it started at all. So they turned off the batteries. Because, yes, I say instructions in the car, but not in Spanish.
Then I say, which woman said at home, why don't you do it in Spanish too?
A white woman said, do it in Spanish. I did not obey. Damn. And then I installed the broken window, and I had to take apart the entire door, and I hurt myself a lot. Skin is hanging off everywhere. But now it's done, the car is secure, and tomorrow morning we can simply take the car with us. It needs another half hour, and then it will be ready to drive. I believe the batteries are good again.
Are the brakes broken?
No, everything is fine.
We made it. We have the Womi. We are just setting off now, heading east towards Montevideo, out to the Swiss paradise, to get ourselves sorted out before we start. As it looks, apart from the broken window, the batteries that have completely drained us, and quite a bit of dirt from the sailor boots in the driver's cabin. Nothing else is broken at the moment. But I will do a more detailed inventory only this afternoon. We are standing here at the toll station, but it seems that it can only be passed through with a telepass. According to our information, there is actually no toll in Uruguay. Tommy has now gotten out and walked to the front. I am curious about what will happen next.
We need a transponder, a tag like that, so we can pass through nice vehicle papers, I think. And up ahead is an office where you can get that.
A beautiful good morning. We have spent our first night in the Womi-Omi. It really feels like coming home. Our own mattress, our own blanket, and simply our home. And now it's time for us to get going. Because we actually haven't planned that much time in Uruguay. We intend to be with the capybaras soon. So come along. Now our journey is really starting.